Okay, students, we can continue the stereochemistry discussion. In this chapter topics, I would like to explain you conformational structures. Okay, conformational structures. Actually, based on the conformation, we have two types of conformational representation. That is Sohus and Newman. Sohus and Newman. These are the two ways of representing conformation on a two-dimensional plane. Yes. Basically, all conformations have three types of isomers, that is eclipsed, Stargate, and Newman. These three isomers could be represented by Newman or Sohus. These are the two ways. You have Sohus, eclipse, Stargate and Newman. I'm sorry, this is gauche or skew. Reason. Or you have a Newman way of representation for eclipsed, for Stargate and for gauche or skew. Fine. I'm not going to this part in detail. Here our idea is how to represent Sohus and Newman ways. Sohus and Newman. Okay, fine. It's a three-dimensional way, three-dimensional representation on two-dimensional plane, where carbon-carbon chain represented by a slanted line. Okay. The lower part, this is the lower part and this is the upper part. You have a slanted line. Lower part to represent your front carbon. This is the back carbon. Okay. And this is a one carbon-carbon bond. Other bonds, therefore, okay. This is the staggered one. That is opposite. Let us see. Down, up, left, right, and this side, then this side. Fine. In Newman, it's a 3D way on 2D plane. Here are structure viewed along carbon-carbon bond. Front carbon is a dot. Front carbon is a dot. Back carbon is a circle. Back carbon is circle. This is the front, this is the back. Other atoms are attached to this carbon. This is the 3 other atoms attached to the carbon. Sorry. This is eclipsed. Eclipsed. What is a staggered? This is the front carbon. This is the back carbon. Staggered. Opposite. 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 This is staggered. Okay. Therefore, in Sohers, you have a slanted line. Lower part is the front, upper part is the back. Here you have a dot and circle. Dot is the front, circle is the back. Okay. Now we can show the relation between them. Newman and Sohers. This is a Newman. Newman staggered. Staggered. What shall be the Sohers staggered? Only identified by this line, okay? This is a staggered. Sohers staggered. Now Newman eclipsed. Back carbon. Okay? Newman eclipsed. Staggered eclipsed. Down, down. Therefore, in Sohers, staggered and eclipsed are identified by this. Down, down. When you look from here, same direction. Here when you look from here, this is up, this is down. Okay? Here a little bit is simple. Fine. Now, how to convert Newman and Sohers to Fisher projection? That's very, very important. How to convert Newman and Sohers into Fisher projection? Sohers, Newman, Fisher projection. Fisher projection. Actually, this should be like this. Newman, Sohers. This is a row type, better row. If you given a Newman, it should be converted into Sohers then Fisher. If you given the Sohers, it can be converted into Fisher projection. Okay. How can we do that? That's very, very important. Newman, Sohers to Fisher projection. Sohers down is equal to Fisher projection. This is very important. Sohers down is equal to Fisher projection. Therefore, every confirmation, whether it is Newman, staggered, eclipsed, or skew, or even Newman staggered, eclipsed, or skew, staggered, or eclipsed, or skew, or even Sohers, staggered, or skew, everything should be converted into Sohus down standard formula. Sohus down standard formula. That will be the Fisher projection. What is Sohus down standard? Sohus down means it is an eclipsed. Down. Should be down. Now how many chiral centers? A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose these two are the chiral centers. These two are chiral centers. Therefore your Fisher projection have two chiral centers. Now your vertical line, this is the vertical line. This is the vertical line. Two chiral centers. Therefore you can write here F, here C or CF. But this down should be the vertical line. Down, 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 down should be the vertical. Okay. Now you imagine that you are looking from upside. Therefore down is a vertical because down is away from here. Vertical is always away from the observer. This is, imagine that groups are down. We are observing from this side, okay, upper side, and this is our right. Okay, when you look at it from here, imagine your face is here. You looking from here. Therefore, this is your right group. Therefore, E and B. D and A. Okay, therefore every confirmation should be converted into Sohus down form. Then you have to imagine that you are looking from the upper side. Then these two should be the vertical line. This part is right and this part is the left. Okay, this part is the right and this part is the left. You can do some examples. Suppose convert into Fisher. You have given a OH, ME, H, OH, ME, H. This is a staggered one. First you draw its Newman. Staggered one. Therefore it's Newman like this. Suppose this is a friend OH down. ME, H. This OH back carbon. Here Me. And here H. Now you cannot draw the Fisher with this structure because you need a down. This part is already down. OH, ME, H. Now you want to make this down. That is, this OH should be down. For that you have to rotate 180 degree. Then only this become down, because this is now here. To make it here, that is OH, you have to rotate the 180 degree. Therefore, in this position now H, because it has been, when you rotate this carbon 180 degree, this should come here and this should come here, H. Now it's Fisher. Its Fisher is, you are looking from this side. Therefore, this OH and this also OH. This side, this OH, suppose this OH is this one. This side is Me. Here, this side is H. This side of this carbon is H. here suppose this is Me, make it Me. This is also Me, H and H. Therefore, this is the Fisher projection. If this molecule is optically inactive, it has a plane of symmetry, and it is a meso compound. This is a meso compound based on the Fisher projection. Suppose a question, yearly question: which of the following is a meso compound? When you give this type of structure, when you draw its Fisher, you will get whether it is meso or not. Okay. Yes. You can do another example. Draw the Fisher projection of Me, H, OH, OH, Me, H. This is nothing but staggered. Sorry, eclipsed. I'm really sorry, eclipsed. Eclipsed Newman. You want to draw its Sohers. Here the eclipse, but front carbon, this is up, back carbon also up. Very carefully. You have an eclipsed, up eclipse, OH, OH, Me, H, Me, H. Now, you cannot draw its Fisher projection because we need a standard form. Standard down. For that, you have to rotate this carbon. For that, this OH down. That is 180-degree rotation. Therefore, this Me position become now H. This H become Me. Here also you rotated 180 degree. Therefore, OH down. Therefore, now this Me position H. This, and this position H. Fine. Now please draw the Fisher. This OH and OH, because vertical line, because you are looking from this side. Therefore, away from the observer is OH. Therefore, it is vertical. And these groups are right groups. H, H. These groups are left group. Me, H. Okay, fine. That's all. All about these topics. I just give you one example for your homework. COOH, Me, H, COOH, H, Me. Please draw its Fisher projection. First, you draw the Sohers. Sohers, it's a staggered one. Staggered one. Down and up. Front is up. Back is down. Front is up. This is a front carbon. This is a front. Up, down. COOH, Me, H, COOH, this position H, this position M. Now you want a down, down. For that back is already down. COH, H, M. Now you want to make the front carbon down. For that you just rotate. COH. When you rotate this carbon, this position now H, this position now M. Now what is our Fisher projection? COH, COH. Suppose this COH is this H, Me, H, Me. Fine. Simple, very simple. Therefore, this is the first part of the topics. Any doubts? Don't worry, let us discuss it. Fine. Thank you.